Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can fix Fallout London Downgrader not working. So if you are facing issue in Fallout London Downgrader not working, so first step you need to do is to open Steam and you need to go into your settings of your Steam in your account settings, and you simply need to turn off the Steam guard in your settings. So once you turn off your Steam guard, here you can see many Steam guard, click here and you need to turn Steam guard off, and after that click here disable. So once you done that, you need to open the Fallout London Downgrader, and now you need to open this and you not face any issue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.